In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your L58 Pro AirPods. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you purchase a set of L58 Pro AirPods that have the interactive screen on them, you can connect them to any device using Bluetooth. So this connection will be primarily established through Bluetooth. Keep in mind that if you have similar models that are not the L58 Pro, you can still follow the instructions in this video and they should work as long as you establish a connection. So for the general instructions on how to connect these sets of AirPods that have screens on them, you will be able to do it by going over to the settings on your device, going to the Bluetooth category, and then making sure that Bluetooth has been enabled. With Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone, PC, or laptop, usually when you open the case with the AirPods still inside, pairing mode should be initiated automatically. But if it isn't and you don't see the L58 Pro on the list of other devices, then what you can do to enable pairing mode manually is to press and hold the button at the back of the case. So if you turn the case around, you will find a button that you can press. This is going to enable pairing mode manually on the device. So try opening the lid with the AirPods inside, see if it goes into pairing mode, and if it doesn't, then press and hold this button to enable it. Then, once you see the L58 Pro or any other model of AirPods available here, just tap on them and they will be connected to your smartphone. With this done, you will now be able to listen to all of the audio being output on that device that you connect them to on the set of AirPods. And you only have to do this connection once. Afterwards, it should automatically connect. So make sure that they appear on the list. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect L58 Pro AirPods. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.